guys, it's Lollipop here. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and now start to get started. So today I'm going to be doing fake fidget trading with Donna. Hi.
Hi.
So let's get started. So who's going to offer first?
You can do it.
Okay, offer. Oh, I don't know what to offer. I don't know what to offer.
I would know what to offer. Oh no. That's not the thing.
So this fidget pad. This is my offer, so I'll put it there. And these two monkey noodles.
I'll offer this textured monkey noodle.
You need to actually put it in front of the camera, like right there, so then they can actually see.
Okay, textured monkey noodle.
I don't know how you guys can see that. That's like 10 centimeters away from the camera. Like, this is where the camera ends.
Oh my god, can they see it?
Yeah, they can.
Oh wow.
Look down it. In the camera.
Oh my god. By the way, that's my leg.
Yeah, that's her leg. I'll move it to the corner of the camera. That's how far it can go without going out of frame.
Alright,
What else are
I'm
you
gonna
gonna
offer these magnetic balls.
I'll accept. So I got these. Oh no. Oh no. So I got these magnetic balls and I also got this monkey noodle.
So I got this fidget pad.
They can't see it, Donut. No.
And then this monkey noodle. It's
Green
really
one.
stretchy.
It's like a meter long, that.
And then this one that's really hard. That's
Oh.
like, yeah. Okay, let me take them.
I just realised those are all my fidgets. Her leg has got a DNA positive. Anyways, now it's your turn to offer first, Donut.
Okay.
Let's do this.
That's really weird now.
Okay, and then Donut, where are you going? Oh, foot cramp, foot cramp, foot cramp, foot cramp. Ow, 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 ow. Foot cramp. Okay, Priya. Why did I call you Priya again?
Then what is happening to you?
Alright, Donut, what are you going to offer? Donut. Offer. Offer donut. Donut! A simple dimple. They can see it. Anyways, so I will offer. I will offer a fidget cube,
You're right to the end.
a tangle, and a blue marble and mesh. For that. Do you accept?
Okay, except. Ow. Ooh,
So this is what I
new?
got.
Is this new?
No, I got it yesterday.
Why does it look so new in this package? Did you not unscroll it?
No, I didn't scroll it. I just know how to put it back together.
Oh. I'm gonna put it with the other ones.
Look, I'll put this one back together. In front of the camera, guys.
Did it take long?
It won't. It'll take like 2 minutes.
One. Right, that doesn't even take a minute.
I know, but that one's a lot easier to do. This one's like...
And look, it's got spikes on it.
Yeah. Right then, anyways, Donut, it's your turn to offer first. Oh, wait, no, it's my turn.
Ow!
I'll offer you this glow-in-the-dark yellow poppet.
I'll offer this fidget pad and these two puppets.
Accept. It's on the good side, by the way.
Okay, good.
Well, you gave it to me on the bad side. So this is the poppet, guys.
Okay,
And this is the
let
other
go.
poppet. Not very loud.
That
And then this is
louder.
the fidget pad.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I've got 2 square pockets now. Anyways. They can't even see it, donut. Roll it forward. Roll it forward like a burrito.
It's like twirl it inside.
Okay, come on.
Stop!
And so that's what Donut's offering me. I'll offer you these magnetic rings.
By the way, that one's glue in the dark, just to tell you.
Yeah, and then this is a tangle.
Can you just add one more thing and then it'll be accepted?
Actually,
Okay, wait. Okay, that's accepted. Thank you. Oh, that one fell.
oh, I got scanned for this one. But this one's amazing. Shut up, donut. I'll whack you with this. Alright then, so
who's laughing now, Kylie Jenner? Who's that?
I have no clue.
Oh, look at that.
You can put them like this, donut.
Oh, that's bad. I don't know why we're so laughing today. Maybe because we're going somewhere today. Because
Yeah, we're going. Anyways, donut. What will you offer for my slime?
This go.
No.
Okay, good.
Donut gleeked earlier.
I don't know, guys, if you would know what that means, but it's ridiculous. Puggy!
Ow, ow, ow. Foot cramp again. Foot cramp again. Right.
Puggy!
I'll accept.
Refuse. That's a scam! That's a scam! Ow!
You hurt me.
Rolly!
Rooney!
That is Rolly!
He jumped over all the fidgets. Hey, don't steal my fidgets. Look at the dog, it's taking beating.
It's a sausage dog!
Gonna make a mini version of your dog. Somehow. Anyways, so...
It's called Cook, I'm right dog, by the way.
Okay, so Donut, what are you gonna offer first? This slime. I decline. I decline.
Alright, that's declined.
Something else. Okay, you added this, and this. Oh. So I'll add this. You guys need to go that way. And then so I'll add this. Don't you can see your tootsies again. Alright then, so oh god. I'll add that and this water snake.
Okay, stop making me
I accept.
Stop making me laugh. Okay. You accepted.
Alright then, so now it's my turn to offer and I will offer you this puppet. By the way, it's super legendary. Like, it's the best puppet you could ever see. You can't even see it. So she offered me this pig squishy, this snake, this green stress ball, this tangle, this fidget bracelet, and this magnetic rings, and I'll accept. Get scammed!
Hey, you are. This was scammed.
Turn it over to the other side.
Oh, for that. Wait, what? What's the other side? I can't even hear anything. Lollipop. Can't even hear anything.
You can.
On this side. A bit. But not really good. Okay, that's scammed. Alright, I got scammed, guys, for this. scammed. Alright, should we start? Lollipop?
Yeah. Gotta get all my fidgets back.
How many fidgets do you have?
So many. More than you do.
I'll offer this.
I'll offer this tangle. I'll offer this tangle, I accept.
Okay. These are fidget bracelets.
I know. I'll offer you these scritters.
This?
By the way, these were super hard to find.
Oh, okay. I will not put that one.
And they're really
Okay.
expensive. Okay.
These, what
What's the snake?
what's it?
I'll accept.
And this.
Oh my gosh. Yes, I'll accept.
Yes.
That was actually a fair trade
I
because
got like a little coronavirus ball.
don't talk about that though, no. Racism. Do you even know what racism is?
No.
You should know what racism is.
Alright, let's just not talk about it. Anyways.
Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
And should we do a part 2?